Good morning, children. After a long time, again back. Today, in our class, we will learn about the short form. In our previous class, we learned about the expanded form of a number. Today, we will learn about the short form. What is the short form? See, children, read this. When we write a number using the digits, the number is said to be in short form. See, there is an example. 7,000 plus 500 plus 90 plus 3. We have to write the short form of this. Children, in two ways we can write the short form of this. The first one, either you can add these numbers in rough place and find out the sum. Okay, that is the answer. In another way, you can write the short form of this. Okay, more easily. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are there. So write 4 places. Okay, starting from ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, now the first number is 7,000. In 1,000 place, write 7. Then 500. In hundreds place, write 5. Then 90 comes. In tens place, write 9. Okay, 3. In ones place, write 3. 3 ones are 3. 9 tens equal to 90. 500 equal to 500. 7,000 equal to 7,000. See, children, this is the short form of this. Okay, practice well, children. Thank you.